Hi guys, this is lesson 105. It's about compound average and rate problems. So this whole lesson is all about problems that include more than one average or rate. All right, example 1. Austin earned $20 an hour coaching a student for 8 hours last month. He also earned $25 an hour giving lacrosse lessons for 10 hours during the same month. Find the average that he earned last month. So you might be tempted to add 20 and 25 together and then divide by 2, but we can't do that because those dollar amounts are not for the same number of hours. So let's look at the first amount they gave us. He made $20 an hour and he did coaching for 8 hours. So altogether, he made $160 coaching. He also earned $25 an hour for lacrosse lessons, and he did that for $10 an hour. 25 times 10 is $250 for lacrosse. All right, so we want to know his average for the last month. So how many hours did he work? He worked 18 total hours. And how much money did he make? He made $410. So how do I figure out the average for that? Well, I want to make it how much, oops, I wrote that wrong, $410. I want to figure out how much he made every hour. So I'm going to divide 410 by 18. Those are both divisible by 2. So I would get 205 divided by 9. And if I do the math, 9 goes into 20 twice. Minus 18 is 2. 9 goes into 25 twice. Minus 18 is 7. Add a decimal and a 0. 9 goes into 77 times. Minus 63 is 7. 9 goes into 77 times. So this is where you got to be careful. This is 7 repeated, right? 22.7 repeated is 22.777 forever. For money, I want to round to the hundredths place, so I'm going to round up because the following number is a 7. So this means he earned $22.78 per hour on average for the last month. All right, let's look at this example. It's set up a little bit differently. Piper went on a 100-kilometer horseback ride. She covered the first 75 kilometers in 3 hours, and the last 25 kilometers took 2 hours. Find her average speed for the whole ride. So if you think about what average speed is distance over time. So how far did she go? Well, she went 75 plus 25, right? Or 100 kilometers. And how long did it take her? Well, the first part took her 3 hours, and the second part took her 2 hours. So she went 100 kilometers in 5 hours, which means 100 divided by 5, she went 20 kilometers per hour. All right, let's look at one more example. Example 3, Marissa would like to bring her average golf score down to 99. Her 3-round average is 103. What does she need to average in her next 4 rounds of golf to have a 7-round average of 99? So think about how to find average. To find the average, we find the sum of all the numbers, and then we divide. So this one we have to think backwards a little bit. So we want her overall average to be a 99, but we need to figure out what she needs to get there. So she played 3 rounds of golf, and she averaged 103. So we're going to take those 3 rounds and multiply by 103. And that means that we don't know the combination for those 3 rounds, but her total number of points was 309 points. And we know that in her 7-round average, we want it to be 99. So that means that in 7 rounds of golf, if her average is 99, she's going to need to score 693. She's going to need a score of 693. So we have to figure out what is she going to score, what does she need to score in the next 4 rounds of golf to bring her average down to a 99. So I only have 693 total points to work with, and I've already used 309 of those points. So I'm going to subtract those, and I get, let's see, 384. So in 4 rounds of golf, she can only get 384 points. So what are we going to do with 384 and 4? Well, we're going to divide them. So 384 divided by 4. 4 goes into 38 9 times. 9 times minus 36 is 2. 4 goes into 24 6 times, minus 24 is 0. So in her next 4 rounds of golf, she needs to get a score, an average score of 96, to bring her 7-round average down to a 99. All right, there are 3 more examples in the practice set on page 699. Go ahead and try those out, and please let me know if you need any help. Talk to you later.